So this is the engine filter. I'm looking for the... Okay, that's the part number. And this for Freightliner Century. And the filter is right here. What you do is open these clips. So you got 4 of them clips and they come off. Now you do just pull it out. That's your old filter. This way your filter go on it. All you do is just push it on there. And that's a new filter. You just that's where I look down inside there, and that's where it go on. So you do just push it up there. And that's how you put on the filter. And this cover, you have a sign on it that tell you where's the top. And that's how you change your air filter. It's simple, man. It's nothing hard to it. Got a couple more jobs I'm gonna do on here, but it's not gonna be today. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, check out my other videos, and check back and hit that bell so you know when I put the videos up.